pleased to show you the 2016 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.